we can check if a string is empty or not. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 18 of Java and Web, String API in Java. In this video we will learn the isEmpty method of java.lang.string class. The method isEmpty returns boolean, checking that if the caller string of the method is empty or not. The method isEmpty returns true if length of the caller string is 0. Here in this case, we have the Java file first.java. In first.java, we have the class first. In the class first, we have the method main. In the method main, we are creating a new string with the content my name is Gyan. Then we are checking if the content of a string object whose reference is stored into the reference variable s1 is empty or not. If this string was empty string, then isEmpty method returns true. But in this case, this string is not an empty string. In this case, the method isEmpty will return false because this string is not empty. That's how when we print the reference variable s1, it will print this string my name is Gyan, and when we print the boolean variable b, it will print false. In the next statement, we are creating a new string and storing its reference into the reference variable s1. But at this time, the string is an empty string. In this case, when we call the method isEmpty by using the reference variable s1, it will return true. And that boolean true will be stored into the boolean variable b. Then after we are printing the reference variable s1. In this case it will print nothing. And then we are printing the boolean variable b. In this case it will print true. Because the string here is an empty string. Again we are creating a new string whose reference will be stored into the reference variable s1. But at this time the content of the string contains a space. So at this time this string is not an empty string. When we call the method isEmpty by using the reference variable s1, it will return false because the string is not an empty string. The false will be stored into the boolean variable b, and when we print the reference variable s1, it will print a space. That means nothing will be shown to your terminal. And when we print the boolean variable b, it will print false because a space in between the opening and closing double quotes makes it non-empty. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.